Did you know that nearly 40% of men experience some form of erectile dysfunction by age 40? It's more common than you might think. Low libido is a topic that is often shrouded in mystery. When it comes to understanding the underlying causes, it can be really tough to figure out what's going on. Are you experiencing low libido due to erectile dysfunction or low testosterone levels? Low libido is a pretty common issue that affects millions of men worldwide. In fact, nearly 1 in 5 men experience low libido at some point in their lives. But here's the thing, most men don't talk about it. And as a result, they often get feeling confused, frustrated, and unsure of what to do. The reality is that low libido can be caused by a range of factors, but some of the most common culprits are erectile dysfunction and low testosterone levels. Many men struggle to understand the difference between these two conditions, and as a result, they are left feeling stuck and unsure of how to address the problem. The truth is that erectile dysfunction or low testosterone are two distinct issues that require different approaches, and understanding the differences between them is crucial if you want to effectively tackle low libido. So, what's the difference between erectile dysfunction and low testosterone? Erectile dysfunction is a condition characterized by the inability to get or maintain an erection. It is often caused by psychological and physical factors such as stress, anxiety, and other underlying health conditions. Low testosterone, on the other hand, is a hormonal imbalance that can affect libido, energy levels, and overall well-being. When it comes to libido, erectile dysfunction is often more closely linked to performance anxiety and the physical ability to get an erection. Whereas low testosterone is more closely linked with the lack of desire for intense sex. So if you're struggling with low libido, it's essential to understand which of these two conditions is at play. One expert in the field of men's health suggests that the key to understanding low libido is to look at the entire picture rather than just focusing on one specific symptom. By taking a holistic approach and considering factors such as hormone levels, overall health, and lifestyle habits, men can gain a better understanding of what's driving low libido. In reality, low libido is also a complex issue that requires a nuanced approach. By understanding the differences between erectile dysfunction and low testosterone, men can take the first steps towards addressing the low libido and regaining the confidence and vitality. In summary, low libido is a complex issue that can be caused by a range of factors, including erectile dysfunction and low testosterone. By understanding the differences between these two conditions and taking a holistic approach to addressing low libido, men can regain confidence and their vitality. Thanks for watching, and if you've ever struggled with low libido, I would love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about men's health topics, be sure to check out other videos on our channel.